अस्सलाम वालेकुम, ich bin Usman und ich lerne die deutsche Sprache. ये हमारा this is our day 22 of German language speaking challenge. And in this day I have an ayah from Surah Al-Hujurat, Surah number 49, ayat number 1, and 3 sentences that I will speak randomly, make mistakes, and then I will rectify myself and share with you what mistakes I have made. So ayah number 1 from Surah Al-Hujurat, Surah number 49 is, oh yeah, the year glaubt, kommt nicht Allah und seinem Gesandten zuvor und fürchtet Allah. लोगों जो ईमान लाए हो, अल्लाह और रसूल सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम से आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश ना करो और अल्लाह ताला से डरते रहो. Oh, those who have believed, do not put yourselves forward. You do not put yourselves in before Allah and the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and fear Allah. In this sentence, glaubt means believe, nicht means not, zuvor means before, fürchtet means fear. And then I am going to speak 3 sentences that then I will rectify myself. These are: we have to walk on the road. First sentence is we have to walk on the road. Wir müssen, I learned this thing in the previous video that müssen means have to. So wir müssen, I don't know about walk aus der road. Walk aus der road. Wir müssen walk aus der road. So I will check walk and road in German language. Second sentence is this is button to our light. Das sind button zoom our, I don't know about our light. Lichte, I think lichte means light. This is second sentence. I made mistake, I know. And the third sentence is I opened the door. Ich öffnen der Tür. Okay, I will share with you what mistakes I have made, and I will make the sentences correct. So I checked the sentences and rectified myself. First sentence I said was we have to walk on the road, and I said wir müssen walk aus der road. It is incorrect. It has to be changed into wir müssen auf der Straße gehen. Wir müssen auf der Straße gehen. Straße is road. And walk is to walk. Gehen. Gehen is in German language to walk. So wir müssen auf der Straße gehen. We have to walk on the road. Second sentence I said was this is button to our light. Button is Knopf in German language, and the sentence I said was das sind Button zum our Licht. It has to be changed into das ist der Knopf für unser Licht. Our is unser. So das ist der Knopf für unser Licht. This is button to our light. And the third sentence I said was I opened the door. Ich öffnen der Tür. Ich öffnen is incorrect. It has to be changed into ich habe geöffnet. I opened the door. Ich habe die Tür geöffnet. Die Tür, I said der Tür. Der Tür is incorrect. It is die Tür. So ich habe die Tür geöffnet. Opened word is placed at the end of the sentence. So this is my day 22 of German language speaking challenge, and I have learned something while speaking German. Again I am speaking that we can collaborate in learning. If someone from German countries want to learn Urdu, they can contact me, or we can also interact with each other in the comments below this video. Jazakumullah khair.